In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of quick tips to help you get started with Cycles Render. As I mentioned in the previous video, Blender version 2.8 will no longer have the Blender internal rendering machine. So we're going to show you a quick tip here on how to get by it. What Cycles ends up meaning is that we're going to have to deal with lighting and scenes, and this will hopefully get you by a little bit of that. So what we're going to do is we'll give it some color here, and let's see what happens if we looked at render. See, it's pretty dark. If we were to bake this arbitrary texture that I put on here onto this material, you'd probably not be real happy. So the quick tip is this. You go to the world, go to that guy and use nodes coarse, and then lighten him up, add a bunch of light to him, and bump the strength up quite a bit. Let's say 3, 2, something like that. Oh, and don't forget to turn on denoising if you're going to do any rendering. So as we can see now, our object is well lit on all sides. So you could put some texture on there, bake it, and then upload it, and you'd have plenty of light. So that's it. That's the good quick tip. If you've found this video useful or liked it, please subscribe and click like. Thanks very much for watching.